Hello friends watching, happy to see you here again. In this walkthrough video, you have a sequence 1, 2, 4 and we want to find the fifth term. And today I am showing you the two best ways to solve this. First method is the manual way. This method is perfect for short sequences. As you can see, we found that each term is multiplied by 2. This 2 is what we call our common ratio. Since the first term is 1, we can get the second term by multiplying the first term by 2. And the second term is 1 times 2, which equals 2. And the third term is 2 times 2, which equals 4. And the fourth term is 4 times 2, which equals 8. And the fifth term equals 8 times 2, which equals 16. And the sixth term is 16 times 2, which equals 32. And the seventh term is 32 times 2, which equals 64. And for our problem, we want to get the fifth term, which equals 16. And this is the solution by using the manual method. Let's solve the problem by using the second method, which is called the formula way. We have a geometric sequence and we can use the rule an equals a times r to the power n minus 1, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio and n is the required term. In our problem, the first term a is equal to 1 and the common ratio r is equal to 2 and the required term n is equal to 5. Substituting a, r and n into the equation, we find that a 5 equals 1 times 2 to the power 5 minus 1, which equals 1 times 2 to the power 4, which equals 16. And this is the solution by using the formula method. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.